Today's dessert, we're going to make a pineapple upside down scone. So let's get started. To start, I am going to use 2 cups of this buttermilk pancake. This pancake mix is so sweet, so I didn't even need to add sugar. Then I'm going to add 1 egg and some cold butter. Bring that to a crumbly consistency. You can use milk or water. I use water because it's a buttermilk mixture. Then I'm going to place that dough in the fridge while I cut up my pineapple. And I cut those pineapple up. And I'm going to put a little bit of cherry and I'm going to sprinkle some ice and sugar on top of that. You could omit that sugar part, alright, but I just added it. Then we're going to roll out that dough as thin as possible because I don't like a very fluffy scone at all. So we're going to put it onto our pineapple and we're going to bake it for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. So once that is done, make sure and put some little holes in it to let the air come out, alright? So now let's take it out of the pan. I am going to show you what it looks like. And there we have our pineapple upside down scones. Really easy recipe using pancake mix that already has everything in it. If you want it more sweet, and you don't need if you're using that kind of pancake mix because that is really sweet, but if you want a little more sugar, you can add some. I dust some ice and sugar again just for garnishing purposes, and it also added a little more sweetness to this recipe. Guys, this is a real quick and easy little snack for the kids. I made this for my grandson for him to take to school for, a little snack, and he loves it. So guys, give this quick recipe a try. If you're looking for a recipe without the pancake, I'm going to do one for you. So stay tuned. Bye.